Hi, today I'm gonna cook a Portuguese dish named Jardineira de Galinha. So it's a chicken stew. For this recipe, I'm gonna use two types of beans, onions, bay leaf, tomato paste, tomato, 800 grams, no, I think it's around 600 grams of potatoes, 800 grams of meat, of chicken, olive oil, 1.5 carrot. Here we have, it's a type of Portuguese bacon, and obviously chouriço. Also some black pepper and paprika, and knorr, chicken knorr. So to start, I'm gonna add just the onions and the garlic and the bay leaf for a bit, and after all these chouriços and bacons. Okay, now that the onions are done, also the chorizo and the bacon, it's time to add the meat. So what we are going to do with the meat now is just to give it a bit of color. So I'm going to leave it for just a couple of minutes before starting adding the other ingredients. So make sure that it gets a nice color before adding, for example, the wine that will go next. Okay, so it's looking good. I also added some corianders, water, and it's been cooking for 20 minutes. So now it's time to add the potatoes and let them cook 10 minutes more or less. I just added the potatoes, and I don't know if you noticed, but I didn't add any salt in the beginning. So I just tried. It needed a tiny bit. So I just added a bit. And it's done. Finished. Looks really nice. I already tasted. I already prepared this dish. Has a bit of everything. If you want more sauce, you just add a bit more. Hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please subscribe and give a like.